Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the sixth question in exercise 6.3. In the figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now let's first draw what is given to us. This is triangle ABC with points D and E marked here. I'm joining the D and E, C and the E and P. Now what is given to us? In the given, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Now what are we supposed to prove? We are supposed to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Before we start writing the similarity contents, let's use this congruency to understand what is needed. So in the proof, the first statement I'm taking out, in triangle ABE, it is congruent to triangle ACD. So according to CPCT, what do we know? All the three sides corresponding to them are equal and all the three angles are equal. So I'm going to apply the CPCT here and say AB is equal to AC, AE is equal to AD. Okay, so both of this are CPCT because of the given triangles congruency. Now let's take up, if I mark this as equation 1 and equation 2, I can divide 2 by 1 and I will be getting AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Remember, I can swap this and write the proportionality according to this. So this is my third equation. Now let's take the two triangles and see if we are able to get the similarity. So here in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is common to both triangles. Obviously, we can see that because this is the common angle. So this is common angle. The next step we have known is AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. We just got that from equation 3. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC using SAS similarity criterion. Why? Two sides are proportional and one angle is equal, and hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.